Hello YouTube, it's Si here from Si Moto Photo. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really cool. We've got the unboxing of the new Street Triple R and RS. The first bikes that have been delivered in Scotland are arriving here today, and we're going to do the unboxing together. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, stick in your comments how much you like it or how much you don't like it, and please subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about Triumph content. There's going to be loads more Triumph content coming, so please give us a subscribe and keep up with what's going on. Mum will do this unboxing.
For this?
Hold on, right.
Nah, I'm not showing you that.
Come on, let's see it.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that is beautiful.
That is a fantastic colour, isn't it? Look at that, that's fantastic.
Stunning.
Isn't that? It's like it's like a really, really deep colour, isn't it?
Aye.
By the way, that is absolutely stunning.
Oh wow.
It's not like a, it's like a, what would you call it? It's not yet, it's like a,
Molten yellow, I think is the closest
it's like
I've
a
seen.
honeycomb colour or something.
Yeah.
My god, that's gorgeous.
Now Darren, if you're watching this, there's one of these is yours.
How appropriate.
And
Triples.
do you think you can hold that? Just till we get it. You got it? Let's get this off so people can see it.
What do you think?
Lovely.
How nice is that colour? It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? It's like a really,
Do you know what it reminds me of the Daytonas?
it's like a Daytona colour, isn't it? It's like a honeycomb type colour.
Right, this.
This is an expert at uncrating.
That's because Simon never does it. Got it?
Yeah.
See how much it moves?
Alright, good jump.
Right, let's. There you got it.
Oh wow,
Peel it back a bit.
wow, stunning.
Are
But it's not. I don't know what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be a more a kind of flat colour like yellow, but it's a really sort of deep metallic pearlescent.
Do you know? That's like the Lennox Sport yellow.
That's it.
It's like the what?
Lennox Sport yellow.
Yeah. What a stunning looking bike, man.
Right, mate, you got it, and I'll undo the thing.
Super Corsa tyres. Statement of intent.
What is that? Is it 131 brake horsepower or something?
It's 130 horsepower. It's quite different from the. It's a lot more different than I thought it would be. Kate,
Right,
there you go, guys.
there you go.
Unboxing. Brand new Street Triple RS, first to arrive in the country. Absolutely phenomenal. Great looking bikes. So there we have it, the new Street Triple Art and RS, the first bikes to arrive in Scotland. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I've got lots more Triumph content coming up, some really exciting stuff coming up over the next few months. I've got bundles and bundles of Triumph content to share with you guys. So please give us a like in the video, stick your comments down, tell me what you think of the new R and new RS. What colour would you have? Would you have it in yellow? Would you have it in your white? I know what one I would have. But thanks a lot for tuning in to Cymoto Photo, and I'll see you next time.